Robot Technology Explained: How Modern Robots Work. From robot toys to smart factories, robot technology is shaping our future faster than ever. Modern robots combine sensors, robot motors, and intelligent coding. This powerful mix is called robotics and automation. A basic robot car is built on a sturdy robot chassis, powered by robot motors and controlled by an Arduino robot board that acts as its brain. Using coding kits, you can program robots to think, turn left, dodge obstacles, and move ahead. This is how smart robotics begins. When you build a DIY robot, you learn robot design, robotics engineering, and how to solve real-world problems. IEM Robotics creates robotics kits, coding kits, and robot car toys that deliver hands-on STEM learning for kids and beginners. From remote control robots to advanced robotics automation projects, our kits are designed to help you build, code, and innovate. Discover robot technology with IEM Robotics and start building your own robot kit today.